I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Ginataang Santol.
2 to 4 cloves garlic minced, 1 medium red onion minced, 1 to 2 pieces finger chili sliced, 3 cups santol flesh, pre-boiled, drained, and minced, 1 small can corned tuna, half a cup coconut cream in a can or fresh, dash of white pepper and salt, 1 to 2 tablespoon cooking oil. Preheat your pan. Pour the cooking oil. Saute the garlic and onion. Add the corned tuna, add the santol flesh, mix it until well combined. Add salt and pepper according to your taste. Add the coconut cream, put the finger chili, let it boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Our finished product, Ginataang Santol.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.